If you're looking to grow the highest quality vegetables or flowers, you need to be considering high tunnel covered growing space. It allows the plants to grow in a controlled environment and not be impacted by whatever craziness Mother Nature might throw at you. It also gives you the ability to control your processes and schedule your plantings and harvestings a little more consistently rather than, again, being dependent on weather. It is a strong step towards increasing your capabilities with gardening and farming. Our Haven High Tunnel Kit is essentially a large commercial structure that is just shrunk down to a 16-foot wide version. It has your heavy-duty galvanized steel frame construction. It's 14 gauge steel. The smaller the gauge number, the stronger it is. So if you're looking at other options and you're seeing 16, 17, 18 gauge, those are weaker gauges of steel. And so that's a significant factor in the overall strength of the structure. So the Haven has a very strong structure with wind bracing and crossbar supports, and has the capabilities with our Gothic shape to be able to automatically shed snow. So if you're in environments where you get snow, you'll have that auto shedding, which is really helpful. We also have the roll-up sides, so you can ventilate, modulating the temperature inside of the structure, and you can even add automated motors if you want to be able to do that automatically. So it is a perfect kit, kind of a stepping stone in the sequence of getting into growing in covered space. So if you're looking at something that you can make kind of a smaller investment, or if you're in a backyard environment where you maybe don't have as much room, the Haven High Tunnel could be a perfect option for you. We are confident in the quality and designs of our tunnels because we're building off of a couple of decades of hands-on farming experience, as I grew up on a market farm, and my family still commercially farms just a few minutes away from here and uses our products. We also have been selling these high tunnel kits for about 10 years now and have gotten a tremendous amount of real-world feedback on the designs, and we have continued to improve our designs over the years, and we're confident that these will work well for you. We're so confident that we even include a 10-year storm damage warranty on the tunnel, so if you have any damages to the structure, we will replace the complete tunnel or individual components at 50% of the replacement cost. And so that will help you if there is damages from things like hurricanes or tornadoes. We also include free shipping, so when you're on our website and you see the price, you select your end walls, that's the out-the-door price. It will come to you and be delivered straight to your door. It comes with detailed video instructions as well as a printed manual to give you step-by-step process of how to install the tunnel. The Haven High Tunnel also meets all of the requirements for the NRCS grant program, so if you're looking for financial support, look at that program. We have a detailed step-by-step process that you can find on our website that'll walk you through the process of applying for those grants. And if you have any questions about the tunnels or about the purchasing process, either pre-purchase or post-purchase, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team and they will do everything they can to answer your questions. So that's the Haven High Tunnel. There's a lot more information on this product page, and we hope that you'll make Farmer's Friend part of your farming or gardening journey. And until next time, happy growing.